If 1 ampere current flows in a circuit, the number of electrons flowing through this circuit is 0.625 into 10 raised to the power 19. The resistance of a conductor of diameter d and length L is R ohm. If the diameter of the conductor is halved and its length is doubled, the resistance will be 8 R ohm. How many coulombs of charge flow through a circuit carrying a current of 10 ampere in 1 minute? 600. A capacitor carries a charge of 0.1 coulomb at 5 volt. Its capacitance is 0.02 Faraday. To obtain a high value of capacitance, the permittivity of dielectric medium should be high. Four capacitors, each of 40 microfarads, are connected in parallel. The equivalent capacitance of the system will be 160 microfarads. 5 capacitors, each of 5 microfarads, are connected in series. The equivalent capacitance of the system will be 1 microfarad. 1 Faraday is theoretically equal to ratio of 1 coulomb to 1 volt. Unit of resistivity is ohm meter.